Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to prepare a delectable and indulgent dish that will satisfy your cravings for comfort food. Creamy garlic Parmesan pasta. This recipe combines the richness of cream, the robust flavor of garlic, and the savory goodness of Parmesan cheese to create a dish that's both simple and sophisticated. Follow these step-by-step instructions, and soon you'll be savoring a plate of creamy perfection. Ingredients: 1 pound fettuccine pasta, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup grated, Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper. To taste, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Step 1. Boil the pasta. Begin by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the fettuccine pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set it aside. Step 2. Sauté the garlic. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for 1-2 minutes, or until the garlic becomes fragrant and just begins to brown. Be cautious not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter. Step 3. Prepare the creamy sauce. Pour in the heavy cream and whole milk into the skillet with the sautéed garlic. Stir the mixture gently, allowing it to heat through but not come to a boil. Lower the heat to medium-low. Step 4. Add Parmesan cheese. Gradually sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese into the creamy mixture, stirring continuously. Continue stirring until the cheese melts completely and the sauce thickens. This step may take 3 to 5 minutes, and the result should be a smooth and velvety sauce. Step 5. Season to taste. Season the creamy sauce with salt and black pepper to taste. Remember that Parmesan cheese is naturally salty, so be mindful of the salt you add. Continue to stir and taste until you achieve the perfect balance of flavors. Step 6. Combine with pasta. Add the drained fettuccine pasta to the skillet with the creamy sauce. Gently toss the pasta in the sauce until each strand is evenly coated. Allow the pasta to simmer in the sauce for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, absorbing the flavors. Step 7. Garnish and serve. Once the pasta is well coated and heated through, transfer it to serving plates. Garnish with a generous sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley for a burst of color and freshness. Step 8. Enjoy. Your creamy garlic Parmesan pasta is now ready to be savored. Serve it immediately, perhaps with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top, and enjoy the rich, creamy goodness of this delightful dish. Congratulations! You've successfully prepared a mouth-watering creamy garlic Parmesan pasta that's sure to impress. Whether you're cooking for a special occasion or simply craving a comforting meal, this recipe provides a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Enjoy your delicious creation. Wow, that was an incredible cooking journey today. I hope you enjoyed every moment as much as I did. If you found this recipe mouth-watering, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And hey, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Join our community of food enthusiasts so you never miss out on these daily culinary adventures. Just hit that subscribe button below. And of course, sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends and family who might enjoy discovering new recipes and cooking tips. Now, the secret ingredient to staying updated with all our delicious recipes is to hit the bell icon. By doing that, you'll receive notifications every time we post a new video, ensuring you are always in the loop. All right, lovely viewers, thank you for joining me today. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking.